Hey guys, happy Saturday. I hope you guys are all having a good Saturday. I hope you are doing well mentally, not just physically. A lot is going on right now, but today's video is coming to you from the playroom with a toddler. So I honestly don't know how smoothly this is going to go, but we're just gonna go with it because now I have Riley with me 24/7. So if you hear any noises or see the camera shake, it's because she's hitting the tripod. Anyways, I don't have too many packages. We stopped going to the UPS mailbox a few days ago, so this is just from earlier in the week. I've disinfected everything as they come in. I'm just now getting a little concerned about mail, so I'm just really trying to keep everything as clean as I possibly can. But let's just go ahead and get into it because I don't know how long I have to film this without Riley losing it. So let's just go right into it. So first off, as you guys saw in my other PR haul, I got a package from Loopy Cases, and I've been using this one a ton. This one's really pretty. But when they reached out to me, I asked them for a different color, which was the rose gold marble, but they were all sold out. And they said, we'll send you another one when we get them back in stock, and they did. And this one is beautiful. Look at this one. I love these two cases. These are both like totally my aesthetic right now. So I really love them. So big thank you to Loopy Cases for sending these over. Riley's gonna go take that one and play with it now. All right, so the next package is from Jake Mans, and this is, it looks like it's throat lozenges. It says, Jake Mans throat and chest. Everyone gets sick from time to time. When you are in need of relief, Jake Mans lozenges are here to soothe. So they sent over some lozenges, which is great during this time. So we are stocked up. Oh, this will be great just to have, like, we'll give it to Joel too, just to have in his bag. But we have different flavors. Let me show you guys. They sent over honey and lemon right here. That one actually I think is gonna be one of my favorites. And then anise, I don't know how you say it, but maybe anise. Then we have cherry, and then we have peppermint. So this is what it's gonna be from here on out. You guys, yeah, she thinks it's a cell phone. So yeah, so thank you so much to Jake Vans for sending these over. Hello! Hi. All right, so next up is a package from, oh, we got a package from Makeup Forever. Okay, so this is Meet Our New Mattifying Mist Light Velvet Air. You can set makeup and fight shine. We hope you love it. Oh, this is so exciting. So the full size is $28 and the travel size is $14, and it's available online and in store at Sephora. So this is it right here. It's just a setting spray. And oh, that would be really nice to try out. Are you gonna try it out for me? So it's gonna mattify the skin and reduce shine, blur imperfections. Ooh, I can't wait to try that out. Ooh, it also has aloe vera extract in it that's gonna help soothe and refresh the skin. So that is really nice. We're gonna have to try that out, Riley. All right, so next up is a package from Laura Mercier, and I love getting packages from Laura Mercier. So we have, let's see. It says, are you up for the challenge? Discover 12 new bold shades in our cult favorite Caviar Sticks. More daring than ever before, these new shades will take your artistry to the next level. So it looks like they came out with some new shades of their eye sticks, which are really nice. They're very quick and easy to use. Oh, wow. What did they send over? So they sent over a dice and also some playing cards. I'll have to play that with Joel. And then these are a bunch of their caviar sticks that they sent over. So I've had these before. Oh, they also sent over their mascara as well, but these are so nice. They're really beautiful on the lids. I'm gonna swatch Nude Rose. They're super easy to put on. You just put it on and then you can blend it out with your finger or with a brush. This is Rose Nude right here. So they just come out like this and they're so creamy. Just look at that. Oh, that is so beautiful. And then I'm gonna blend it out. You can see it blends out really nicely. So I love these. So they stocked me up on those with the new shades. So yeah, 12 new shades. So they came out with, let me just go through them. They came out with violet, pearl, raspberry, turquoise, ooh, golden, sunbeam, burgundy, sienna, indigo. Do you want to hold those for me? And magenta. Ooh, I kind of want to see what the turquoise one looks like. Can we see what turquoise looks like, little one? Here, I'm going to open up turquoise, okay? Oh my gosh. I wouldn't really say this is a turquoise. This is more of a blue. Look at that. Or is it? No, because I feel like turquoise is a little bit more green. It reminds me more of like a cobalt blue. That's what it reminds me of. But that is pretty. So those are some fun new eye sticks that came out. All right, so next package is from Sigma Beauty, and it's Infinity Point Lipstick. Oh, these are their new lipsticks that they came out with. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, let's take a look at these. All right, so this is the packaging right here. Really beautiful. Open it up. And then we have the lipsticks. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so they came out with 4 shades. They are satin finish, long wearing, and they are hydrating. They're also vegan and cruelty free. This is what the packaging is, like a teardrop. It is so unique. Look at how cool that packaging is. I really like it. It's so different. Okay, so this is Deja Vu. Deja Vu looks gorgeous. Okay, so, oh my gosh, look at how unique these are. The way that they come out like that. Oh, I've never seen a lipstick component look like this. This is so unique. Oh my gosh, look at Deja Vu. Deja Vu is gorgeous. It's a really pretty, like, muted rose shade. I like that. That is gorgeous. The other shades that we have here are Temptation. So here is Temptation. Ooh, look at that. Temptation is has more rose tones in it, like more mauves and purples. And then we have Ecstasy. Ooh, this one, Ecstasy, is a really pretty red. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this red. It's got a blue purple undertone to it, so it's gonna be more flattering. I'm not really into the warm reds. And then Epiphany. Ooh, Epiphany is really pretty. Oh my gosh, I really like Epiphany too. I think these are all really good shades to start off with for their lipsticks. I think those are beautiful, and they are very pigmented. They definitely look moisturizing. They definitely have a shine finish to them. So yeah, I think those are really neat. The only thing is you gotta be careful with is the component. I feel like I'm easily going to ruin the top of it, but these are actually really, really gorgeous. I need to go get some baby wipes so I can wipe everything down. I've got like a pile going on in my lap that I'm trying to hide from her. All right, so next up is a package from Jupiter, and they sent over Getting Started. Let's see what this is. Oh, it smells like mint, yeah, because they're organic CBD drops in mint. They are certified organic, grown in the USA, small batch, single origin, non-GMO, vegan. Feeling amazing every month. We created Jupiter to improve the health and wellness of our families and friends. With the incredible support, we developed an uncompromising organic CBD oil that offers meaningful results. It starts with less stress, better sleep, and fewer things to hold us back. Okay, I'll have to give this a go and try it out and see. Oh, so you take it by mouth, hold under tongue for 30 seconds before swallowing. Store away from humidity and light. Oh, wow. I've never used anything like this before. Oh, someone's getting in my lap. I've never used anything like this before, so that will be a fun one to try out. All right, so that is the end of this PR unboxing. I'm sure we have more boxes over at the UPS mailbox, but we're kind of just trying to stay home, you know, right now especially. So I will keep you guys updated on what was gonna happen with these PR unboxings in the future. But right now, I just hope you guys all stay safe, enjoy this quality time with your family, and I hope that this video kind of lets you guys escape from everything for a bit. I love you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.